What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over Cardano, guys. ADA currently up about 4% on the day. We've had a nice little pump up here. We're sitting at a market cap of 43 billion and 24-hour volume of 3.65 billion. So we're going to go over some juicy news as well as the analysis for Cardano and a little bit of Bitcoin, as I'm seeing some patterns on the Bitcoin chart. All right, guys. So we'll start here with this news. So IOHK, let me get this out of the way, to integrate Cardano into decentralized crypto trading platform Orion, a first for Cardano users that will provide a decentralized gateway to the digital asset market, allowing them to buy and sell assets on Orion via the Cardano blockchain later this year. So we're just going to read this part here. So Orion, a DeFi ecosystem and crypto trading platform, along with blockchain engineering company IOHK, today announced a partnership to integrate the Cardano blockchain into Orion's trading terminal. The Orion terminal allows users to access to all of the major crypto exchanges without needing to undergo extensive KYC and AML checks required to sign up to each individual platform, while also ensuring the best price for every trade. By using Cardano's energy-efficient proof-of-stake mechanism, a technology pioneered by IOHK, Orion will also achieve more sustainable growth through this partnership, an alternative to widely criticized proof-of-work system employed by Bitcoin and the majority of other blockchains, which uses more energy than the whole of Switzerland. Wow, that's absolutely insane. In comparison, Cardano uses the equivalent energy of a family home. That's what's up. Further, via Orion's solution, this integration seeks to bring meaningful transaction volume to the Cardano blockchain. Awesome to see another exciting partnership here for Cardano. So let's pop over into this analysis. So we're here on the daily chart, guys. Now I want to show you some key levels of resistance here. The first one is right here at about $1.39, $1.40. You can see where these wicks came down to. We've come down to it many times. We've tested it as support and here as resistance as well. Previous swing high. All right, guys. So that will be a key level, and we'll also be testing the 20 EMA here on the daily. So we're going to pop over to the 1 hour chart. Now we had this rising wedge, which we fell out of, but we found support on the 786. Guys, I'll tell you time and time again, when you get back above the golden ratio, you back test it as support. In many cases, you're going to head up to the 1.272 extension, which is at $1.34, which is exactly what happened. We had a bit of a rising wedge here. We fell out, but we held support of the 0.786, and we shot all the way up to the 1.272 at $1.34. Now, we do have that major level of resistance here at $1.39, $1.40, where I showed you guys all that support and resistance in the past would be a massive level here. I also want to show you this chart of this descending triangle that we talked about in our last Cardano video. I'm just going to take a quick drink of water. And that $1.40 also lines up here with our triangle as this level of resistance, this line of resistance. So this is crucial times for Cardano. If we get rejected and we roll over, there is a high chance of us falling out of this descending triangle here. So if we were to see continuation, it would be crucial for us to break through out of our descending triangle and back test it as support here and get back above the EMAs. So I just quickly want to show you guys Bitcoin, because there's quite a few different chart patterns that I've noticed here. So we have a larger inverse head and shoulders. We had this one, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but we have an uglier one right here. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and here's your right shoulder beginning to form, and here's your neckline. So you can see we hit some resistance right along the neckline. So if you do see us start to break above and back to as support, I mean, it's a huge breakout target for this inverse head and shoulders. Let's pull it out. Whoa. So your breakout target's all the way up here at about 41K. We'll give it a quick price target here. And we also may be forming a smaller inverse head and shoulders, where here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and we may come down to form our right shoulder. So keep an eye on that pattern as well. That may play out. We got like 3 inverse head and shoulders here over this last few days. But this one is really ugly. Like the larger one is pretty hideous. So keep an eye on that neckline though. You can see we hit resistance and we're having a little bit of roll. So if you do see us break above it, and especially if we break above 34K, that's what I would wait for, to break above 34.5, 48 to go long on Bitcoin, and then you can go long on ADA as well. All right, guys. So let's finish up this video here. So $1.40 is that huge level of support. I mean, major level of support including with our descending triangle here, to keep an eye on. If we break out of it, that would be a beautiful sign of continuation. And then if we hit resistance, we roll back. I'll drop your levels of support here. So we have this level. You can see all the support in this area at about $1.20, and then maybe down here as well. You can see the support in this area at about $1.12. All right, guys. And then if we have some continuation here, we have the 1.618 at about $1.46. Where would be your next level here? Probably right around this area. I'll drop it in. You can see here resistance. You can see a little bit of support, resistance in this area, support in this area, almost the previous swing high. So that could act as a level of resistance too if we see some continuation here at $1.58 for Cardano. All right, guys, so that's it for this one.